welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I have some fun, exciting new things to share with you from the Dollar Tree today. First, we're going to start out with food, and then we're going to move into the household items, and then we'll move into my most favorite finds of the day. So to get started, I have some halves and pieces of salted cashews, a white loaf of bread. This is 1 pound for $1. Nice and soft. Some of these individually wrapped strawberry wafers. There are 20 ready to go. And these are the animal cookies iced. Some M&Ms and some bugles that are ranch flavored to try out. So here's just some fun snacks. Okay, here we go. Household items. A lot of these are repeat purchases, so I like to get them done at the beginning. I did pick up one of these Betty Crocker easy seal storage containers just because I needed something to take peanut butter balls to my mom's. We're having a small get together just with me, my sisters, and stepbrothers, things like that. So yeah, peanut butter balls, so I'll grab that and she can just keep that. I did get some AAA batteries and some AA batteries from E-Circuit. Some aluminum foil, the 40 roll. I have the sheets already, so I just needed a roll. I like to keep both around, one to line pans and one of the rolls to like cover leftovers and things. They're both nice for that, but sometimes you need a longer piece than one of those sheets. So that's what this is for. I have 175 count of the tissues. And my favorite handle bags, I got one of those. Sure Fresh 45 count storage sandwich bags with the seal, or the zipper seal. 2 of the strong and soft bath tissues. I got 2 of these foam trays, and I also picked up some of these bowls. A new item in the home cleaning department that I found, and I only found one of these, or I would have grabbed a few of them. I love these quick erasers, these magic erasers. This is from a brand, it says Scrub It, and there is 5 thin, flexible eraser sheets in here. So that's how long they are. And I'm going to cut these in half. So I'm going to have 10 sheets. And here's the dimensions. Oh, I was super excited to find these. I'm always using these quick erasers. A couple more house finds. I did pick up a new placemat. I like to use these under the dog bowls. Oscar has a long beard. And he always gets water everywhere. So with this you can just like wipe it off, clean it. And the one that I have is like gray and faded. And so I got this Bless This Kitchen one. I just love the blue in the corners because most of this will be covered up by other bowls. And then I got the hot plate that says Bless This Kitchen. And they had a coffee one and a clear one, and I just absolutely love this one. And next up we have a Connor finds. He's been really into Toy Story lately, and he saw these markers. He had to have these Toy Story markers. And loves stickers, and wanted these emoji stickers, so we picked those up. He can hardly leave the Dollar Tree without picking up a new dog toy. And he saw this dinosaur movie and was not going to leave it behind. He loves dinosaurs. It's called The Dinosaur Project. I want to show the rest of the items like this. These are some of my favorite finds of the day and some things that I just want to shed a closer light on. So I did pick up these antibacterial travel wipes. There is 2 packs in here. There's 30 wipes. There's 2 15 count packs. So these are going to be great for the purse. They also had their clip-on hand sanitizers back again. I loved this watermelon, this cucumber watermelon one. These are 3 fluid ounces. They're in a rubber gripped clip case. And I also picked up the coconut and lime. There was 3 to choose from, but those were the 2 I was interested in. I also picked up another pack of these Assured 6-bladed razors. You only get 2, but these are awesome. They're amazing. I think they give me a really great close shave, and I've never had any nicks or cuts with them. I picked up 2 more fans. This one says Slay, and I picked up this beautiful green one. And I use these in my videos for setting spray, but my mom has been mentioning forever now that she wants one, and they finally had fans again at the Dollar Tree. So I grabbed 2 of them. She can have one of those. Picked up this lone hair tie ponytail holder in this like cheetah kind of print. And I thought that was super cute, so I grabbed that up. These fun pins. I love pins. I love stationery. I always have. And I just cannot resist a good pin. I love trying out new pins. So from the Ink brand, these are probably not new, but they say they have they're hybrid ink pens. There's assorted ink, they have grips, they click, and I'm excited to try these. And it says perfectly smooth, ultra low viscosity ink and comfort grip. So we'll see. And then I found these from the brand Cello. They're Super Glide fashion pens and ultra smooth writing, and it says the joy of writing at the bottom. And these are 3 ballpoint pens, once again in different colors. I love pens. I found a couple Ellie Colors things. These are not new, by the way. This is my 3rd time purchasing the Ellie Colors Mega Grow Nail Treatment, you guys. And I purposely cut down my nails. So we're going to do a whole video, and I'm going to track my progress over a month of using this product so you can see how well this works for only $1. So stay tuned for that. And I picked up today, this is the first time trying this one, but it's the Super Strength Nail Builder. So it strengthens nails with silk protein, protects the nails from chipping. I don't know, but we're going to try this out as well. I have a Ellie Colors nail treatments that I'm currently testing. And I can tell you, like I said, this is my 3rd bottle of this, and I think it's time that we make a video on it and do a full detailed progression and review on this product. I found these eyelash curlers from Sassy and Chic today, and I just got like the minty green one. I just wanted it because it was colorful. I found this really fun find. I'd been seeing everyone haul. I did not know that I would be able to find one in my Dollar Tree, but the Be Pure Aroma Diffuser, and it's battery operated. I do not have any oils for this yet, but I felt for $1 we'd pick it up, we'll give it a try. You know, let me know if you want a review or anything. I'll gladly do that. And last and final finds are some new skincare items that I found. So from Global Beauty Care, I found a eye treatment pads or patches, and they are the Retinol Hydrogel treatment. So I picked those up. And also a collagen hydrogel lip mask. So I was really excited to try these 2 products. And also from Global Beauty Care, this is their Multivitamin Moisturizer, and it's supposed to have vitamin A, omega plus complex, and it's a hydrant, so it's a moisturizer. So I found that. These are 1.7 ounce jars. And then I also found the hyaluronic acid skin cream, and also 1.7 ounces. And these would be great gifts, like putting together a nice beauty basket. Now's the time to go and check your Dollar Tree out. But these are all the awesome new finds. Oh, one more. I almost forgot one more thing, because it was wrapped up. It's just a candle jar. A glass candle jar. But it looks like this. I'm going to put my beauty sponges in this. So I've been currently going through and redoing my beauty area again, decluttering. So stay tuned for a new updated like makeup collection kind of thing. So that's my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I found lots of new finds today, even though my Dollar Tree was pretty wiped clean. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And check the description box for additional links as well. Thank you so much again for watching.